It is the Grading Monster Jam World Finals Freestyle Champion from praise from the VP Racing Fuel Science Lab. It is Leo Tao, the VP Racing Fuel's mad scientist. And in the opposite lane, creeping in from another world, it's Devil Jones and Zombie.